What's up YouTube, it's Jenny here, and today I'm going to be hydro dipping my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. 3 cameras. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max Gold. But before I get to that, I just want to say, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's do it. Alright, so first thing I need to do is I need to tape it up. I need to tape it up the front, so I don't want no paint getting on the front. I don't want no paint getting on the sides, and I don't want no paint, definitely don't want no paint getting in the ports. And now, I don't gotta worry about it, water getting into it, because I know it's waterproof. These phones are waterproof. But I'll make sure I tape up that, make sure I tape up the camera good, because I don't want no paint getting on the camera. And yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna tape it up. We're gonna do a little speed run through that, and then we're gonna get to the painting, so let's do it. Alright, so I got everything prepped up. I apologize for the guy cutting the grass across the street, neighbor cutting the grass, but I got everything taped up. This tape isn't the best tape. So the only thing is I need to make sure I don't get nothing inside the ports. I didn't tape this part up right there because I don't bother me. It don't bother me if I get that. So I'm put it like that right there. So what I'm gonna do is, and this is my iPhone. This is my iPhone. I don't know if you can see it turns on, but this is my iPhone. So what I'm gonna do is when I go to dip it, I'm gonna try to dip it like this quick, so that no water gets in here and no paint gets in there. So yeah, so let's do it. I'm gonna be dipping it with Rick and Morty, as I did with my controller. Air bubbles. That don't matter. Okay. Okay. That don't matter because I'm dipping it right here in this middle. So let it sit. Now we let it sit a minute. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Oh man, I'm gonna ruin my phone. Okay, here we go. I did it. I just did my freaking iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh my God, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Oh! Dude. Are you serious right now, dude? That looks so dope, dude. Yo. Oh my, okay, you know what? We gotta go inside. I'm gonna go inside. We'll continue this inside. Dude, look at this, dude. Legit, this looks so dope, dude. Okay. I'm shaking right now. Like literally, I'm shaking, dude. I'm nervous, dude. I'm nervous, bro. I'm nervous, bro. Dude, this looks good. Okay, now we need to wash it off. Oh man, I hope the paint don't come off. Please don't paint don't come off. So far so good. So far so good. Dude, I cannot believe. Oh no, the paint's coming off a little bit. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, it is. Oh no. Dude, that looks cool, dude. I ain't gonna lie. I'm totally gonna rock this. No paint got on the bottom. No paint got on the bottom either, so that's good. A little bit of paint got right there on the side, but that's fine. That's fine. Dude, I wasn't sure how good the gold was gonna look underneath it, because usually you gotta paint the bottom half white. Don't look at the dishes. Because usually you gotta paint the bottom half white. You know, you gotta paint the like not the bottom. You gotta paint the base white so that the picture can see. But I figured because this is such a light gold, I figured that like it should work, and I was right. Oh my God, look at that, dude. That looks, dude. Will this come off if I move like this? Oh, that does come off with the gold. Oh wow, that comes off the stainless real easy. Nice thing that comes off the sides really. So yeah, so here it is. This is, dude, this came out so much better than I expected. So there it is. Let's camera focus there. Now you can see it, Rick and Morty. Look at that. Now one piece did mess up right there by Morty's leg. It came off, but other than that, man, that looks amazing. And show you, look. There it is. This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's working. It's good. It's good. Everything good. So show you that it's not fake. It's not fake. It's my real phone. It's my real phone. So yeah. So and it came out amazing. Like, dude, look at that. So yeah, that's I'm the only one. I'm pretty sure I'm the first and only person ever to hydro dip their brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I have a one-of-one custom limited one-of-one in the world Rick and Morty iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If I did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Peace.